Hey, it's about, today is about, this is May the 20th, 2008. Hey, I just saw a baby bird this fall. I just saw him. He's right here somewhere. I can't find him. There he is. Look at him. Look. You okay? Look. That's a baby bird. Oh. Look at him. Still alive. That's a baby bird. So I get the glass out of here. Can you see him closely? But that's a baby bird. I just saw him jump out of that mess over here, and Mommy's bird tried to watch them. I mean, that cat just chasing one bird. I don't know. It's 4 of them. We see 3 of them, but I don't know what the 4th one at. Cause let me tell you, friends. Let me tell you. I'll be right back. Let me tell you where's the nest at. Right there. That's a mess. See that? Hold on, he called me. That's the mommy's bird over there. Can you see him? Real clearly. See, you hear him? I told you. I'm not kidding. Oh. Look at him. Alright. That's it very closely. He killed one. I'll see you later. It's a little baby bird. See him? He talks. You're fine.